Okay, so I set up a drain pan underneath. So when I rotate the engine, I'm sure stuff's gonna be coming out here, coolant and oil. So this way it catches some of it. I'm sure I'm gonna miss it, but at least I'm attempting. So I gotta set you guys up and you can watch me make a mess. Here we go. Smells gonna be terrible. I don't know if you guys noticed by now, but I don't like making messes. I'm good at it, but I don't like it. Okay, so that was a mess. Not as big as a mess I thought it was going to be, but bigger mess I was trying to make. So I'm going to get these M10s out, or E10s. I keep calling M. Grab you a pry bar and find a spot to pry it. Pretty sludgy. Okay, so I do want to point something out to you guys. Luckily I caught it, but there's two bolts heading down in there. One here and one over here. So make sure you get those before you start prying on it, breaking stuff. Okay, now got some more M10s holding this cover on here. I think it's a splash guard or something maybe. Down to the final stretch here. Just gotta pull the bottom caps off and knock the pistons out and then see what's up. I probably should start with A side so I can keep them in order. So little. So there's two lines on each cylinder.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't understand that. Maybe it's because the rings are allowed to flop around a little bit. Giving birth. Oh god. Gouges in them. This is the bad one here. But again, I don't see anything broke. I mean, the oil rings are definitely flush. You can still see the hash marks in them, except those lines on each side. There's no lip at all. I feel good with rebuilding it. Cool. See how these ones stick out real far?
Yeah.
And they still stick out some, I guess.
Not very much.
Oh, look at that. Broken piston.
Was this your bad cylinder?
Yep. At least I found the reason.
Ooh. Is that another piece?
I think so. Oh, yeah. Broken two different spots.
Thank God it didn't hit me.
Well, looks like I need a piston now, huh? Now these get dangerous. I ain't gonna fit down. Holy shit. I'm gonna cut through my fingers, what I'm gonna do. I got it, it came back. It was like a boomerang.
Mine went to the roof. I don't know.
That was right here.
Oh, shit.
It was a boomerang. Oh, yeah, I want to beat that out. Yeah, that's those. I forgot my finger there because this pig's short. Well, I went way over there somewhere. Shit.
Well,
I might need that.
now we scour the floor.
Alright guys, I got it all apart. This is number 4 cylinder, which is what I was having trouble with. As you can see, that's definitely not normal. So I want to replace the piston. These bearings don't look the greatest. Probably gonna replace those too. It's apart. I got it all laid out. This is the transmission side of the engine. This is the timing side of the engine. Put them in order. There's all the timing. I'm gonna do the valves. I ordered a valve compressor. Mine don't work. But that's the disassembly of the engine. It went pretty smooth for most part. So stay tuned for the cleaning and reassemble the engine. Like, subscribe, comment below what you'd like to see, and if you have any questions.